Vivian, Ava, come here. Come here. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. What's your name? What's your name? Is this your first time in Manila, Vivian? Yes, you can answer. Do not be shy. So, this is Vivian, my second apo, no? And, okay.
Hi! See you later, guys!
See you later, alligator.
Don't forget to wear purple shirt!
Also, good luck to all those VIP, DWP, PVL ticket holders. I hope, okay, you like all our birthday. Thank you for all your greetings. So, this is Vivian. It's her first time to be here in Manila, and she asked, "Hello, Tria. I miss you, Tria. How's Justin? I hope she's okay." So, si Admin Tria po is parang, parang on leave. Kasi may asikasong business. Vivian, come here. So, it's her first time to be here, and she wanted to watch her Sachi. Huh? She wanted to watch the game of Sachi in person daw. So, see you soon, Tria. So, she wanted to see the action, the real action. So, what is your wish for Sachi? Sige. Come on, don't be shy. Huh? What's your wish for Sachi on her birthday today? Huh? What's your wish? Ano man? Isa may wish din mo.